What's going on, everybody? This is your host Leo. Welcome to No Bullshit Reviews. This is the channel where we review tech and find out if it's really worth our hard-earned money. Today I'm going to do a quick little introduction about my work setup. Last year was the first year I built my first PC. This year I actually switched it up a little bit, like a lot of other YouTubers do. They always do their little review of their tech setup from the past and then how they switched it up in the following year. So I did shoot a little bit of B-roll, so work with me here. I will do a lot of explanation and voiceover. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you do, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump into it. My desktop is the IKEA Vacant right corner computer desk with cable management hammock below. My main monitor is a Dell UltraSharp U2720Q 27-inch 4K that runs at 60 Hz. It's mostly used for photo and video editing, but I game from time to time. My tower is the Master Cooler Masterbox TD500 Mesh Airflow. There are 7 RGB fans. 4 fans are for intake and 4 fans are for exhaust. I have a Ryzen 7 2700X processor on the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard with 32 gigs of G-Skill Trident RGB RAM. Graphics are processed with a Radeon RX 5600 XT Gaming OC graphics card, and all of it's being powered by the EVGA 850 watt gold power supply. The mic that I'm using to record this audio is with the Shure MV7 podcast mic, and it's connected to the Elgato Wave mic arm. Here's a quick little time lapse of me breaking down the setup and getting ready to set up my new dual monitor workspace. I ordered the Evo dual monitor stand mount that is VESA mount compatible with 75x75 or 100x100 mounting brackets. Each arm can hold monitors as wide as 32 inches and weighing no more than 17 pounds each. It's a very premium, well-built metal mount, and I would highly recommend this to anyone. There are 2 mounting options. One is to drill a hole through your table or your desk and tighten the screw clamp, or 2, which is what I did, you can just slide the clamp onto the edge of your desk and screw it in tightly. Next is to attach the rotating arms onto the pegs on the mount. Make sure you do this correctly. There is a cable management cover that slides off of the arms. Make sure it's facing downwards, then you know you connected the arms properly. Each arm is securely attached with small screws that come in the packaging. Make sure to screw them in tightly to keep your monitor arms from swaying. Then repeat the same process for the second monitor arms. The second monitor arms already have cable management in the form of plastic clips already attached. Make sure those are also facing downwards as well. Since my Dell monitor was attached to the same bracket of mounting arm, I left the bracket on it and attached it to the left monitor arm. This is going to be my vertical monitor for when I'm watching YouTube TV or having my Discord open while gaming. The second monitor I purchased was the Dell S2721QS 27-inch 4K with AMD FreeSync. To attach the mounting bracket, simply take out the screws in the back of the monitor, put the bracket in the square, and make sure the part of the bracket that says up is facing towards the top of the monitor, or it won't slide into the arm properly. Screw the bracket down and you're good to go. The final result is 2 Dell monitors, both running in 4K resolution at 60 Hz. Also, I failed to mention a few things. There is a 1TB Crucial SSD for storage and an external 5TB Western Digital hard drive. We do have the Logitech Brio 4K webcam, the Logitech Z533 speaker system with subwoofer pumping out 120 watts of sound, the Corsair K60 RGB mechanical keyboard, and a Spigen wireless charging pad for iPhone. Review on that coming soon. Hey everybody, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will try to leave links to everything shown in the video down below. Like I said also in the voiceover, I am going to have a review coming of the Spigen fast charger for the iPhone. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.